The real reason. Some people struggle to build muscle. It's not genetics. Picture this. Two people walk into the gym for the first time. They start the same workout routine, lift the same weights, eat the same meals, and train with the same intensity. A few months later, one of them has visibly packed on muscle, while the other looks almost the same. It seems unfair. The natural assumption? Genetics. But what if genetics isn't the real reason? What if there are hidden factors at play that most people don't even realize? Today, we're breaking down the real reasons some people struggle to build muscle and how you can fix it. One of the biggest misconceptions in fitness is that a fast metabolism prevents muscle growth. In reality, metabolism has little to do with building muscle. Muscle mass itself actually increases metabolism, meaning the more muscle you have, the more calories you burn at rest. So, if metabolism isn't the issue, what is? Before muscles can grow, they first need to be activated properly. Your brain and nervous system control every contraction of your muscles. If your neuromuscular connection is weak, your muscles aren't engaging fully, meaning your workouts are less effective. Studies show that some people naturally recruit muscle fibers more efficiently, leading to faster gains. But the good news? This can be trained by focusing on mind-muscle connection, slowing down reps, focusing on contraction, and using progressive overload. You can eat all the protein in the world, but if your body is missing key nutrients, your muscles won't grow efficiently. Some of the most overlooked nutrients for muscle growth include magnesium, essential for muscle contraction and recovery. Zinc, supports testosterone and muscle repair. Vitamin D plays a crucial role in muscle function. Omega-3 fatty acids reduce inflammation and improve muscle protein synthesis. Creatine, a natural compound that helps produce energy for muscle contractions. If you're struggling to build muscle, getting these nutrients in optimal amounts could be a game changer. Testosterone is the primary hormone for muscle growth. While some people naturally produce more than others, lifestyle factors can drastically affect your levels. Poor sleep reduces testosterone production. Chronic stress raises cortisol, which breaks down muscle tissue. Low-fat diets can reduce hormone production. Overtraining without enough recovery can actually lead to muscle loss. If you're not seeing results, it might not be genetics. It might be your hormonal environment. Some people train too much or too little. Finding the right balance is critical. Too little volume, not enough stimulus for muscle growth. Too much volume, excessive muscle breakdown without time to repair. Not enough rest, muscles don't have time to grow. Research suggests that 10-20 sets per muscle group per week is the optimal range for growth. Anything less, and you're not stimulating enough. Anything more, and you could be overtraining. Here's something most people don't think about. Your gut health influences how well your body absorbs nutrients. Some people struggle with muscle growth not because they're not eating enough, but because their body isn't properly absorbing nutrients. Signs of poor gut health include constant bloating after meals, irregular digestion, low energy levels despite eating enough, frequent inflammation and soreness. Fixing gut health through fermented foods, probiotics, and a fiber-rich diet can enhance nutrient absorption and improve muscle recovery and growth. Some people unknowingly have an advantage in training efficiency. They naturally activate their muscle fibers more effectively, have better sleep and hormone balance, get proper nutrition and nutrient absorption, train in the right volume range without overtraining, manage stress better, keeping cortisol levels low. These aren't genetic superpowers. They are trainable habits that anyone can implement. If you're struggling to gain muscle, the solution isn't to blame genetics. It's to fix the underlying issues. Improve neuromuscular activation. Focus on slow, controlled reps and mind-muscle connection. Optimize your nutrition. Ensure you're getting enough protein and essential micronutrients. Check your hormones. Prioritize sleep, stress management, and a balanced diet. Adjust training volume. Train each muscle group 2-3 times per week with 10-20 sets per week. Fix your gut. Health. Add fermented foods, probiotics, and fiber to your diet. Recover smarter. Ensure at least 48 hours of recovery for each muscle group. Muscle building isn't about having good genetics. It's about understanding how your body works, making small adjustments, and staying consistent. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to The Healthy Hive for more science-backed health insights, and share this with someone who's struggling to build muscle. See you in the next one.